Good morning everyone. Now we discuss the difference between blast furnace gas and coke oven gas. The blast furnace gas is the byproduct of blast furnace and the coke oven gas is the byproduct of coke oven. Blast furnace gas is produced during iron making, then coke oven gas produced during coke making. Then third point will be composition of BF gas, mainly CO2, CO and N2. Then composition of coke oven gas, methane, carbon monoxide, hydrogen. Then fourth number point, calorific value of the blast furnace gas is 850 kcal and the calorific value of coke oven gas 4000 kcal. The temperature of BF gas around 150 to 200 degrees centigrade. The temperature of coke oven gas is 900 degrees centigrade. The BF gas is used in hot flash stove after cleaning the BF gas. The coke oven gas may be used directly as a fuel. Thank you.